grade 6s. Today we are going to look at Tydvorme, which is tenses. Now we've done this before, but today we are learning a new way to do it a little bit differently. So just to remind you, hede means right now. It's the present tense. Verlede tyd is the past tense. It's already happened. Toekomende tyd is the future tense. It will still happen. Now, if I have a sentence like this, Vela lees 'n boek. There is a very plain present tense sentence. If I write it into the past tense in the normal way, remember that we add het after the subject, then we add ge to the verb, and the verb goes to the end of the sentence. Okay, we've done this so many times. So it will become Vela het 'n boek gelees. Very simple. Okay, and if I write it into the future tense, I will add sal instead of het, and my verb will still move to the end, but I'm not going to add ge. So it will become Vela sal 'n boek lees. Very simple, and you'll remember that from all the times we've done it before. Now what's different today in today's worksheet is that sometimes you will be asked to write it into the past tense or future tense, but to start with the time word. So we're going a little bit outside of what stompie is, and we are swapping the subject and the time word around. Okay, so this one, for example, if I tell you to start your sentence with gister. Gister means yesterday. So now I'm saying to you, Vela reads a book, and you have to put it in the past tense. Instead of saying Vela read a book, you're going to start with yesterday. So you're going to say, yesterday Vela read a book, but in Afrikaans. So what we'll do is we'll start with gister, which is the time word that I will give you. I will tell you what time word to start with, gister, and then I will have my verb 1. Gister het, and then my subject, Vela 'n boek gelees. So the rest of the sentence stays the same. So if I think of stompie, guys, I have S-V-1 T-O-M-P V2, and then the I we don't use. You're literally just swapping the time and the subject around. All the rest stay where they are. So let's look at the future tense. Vela lees a book into the future tense. So now my time word has to be future orientated. So I can say môre, which is tomorrow, or oormôre, the day after tomorrow, or Saterdag, coming Saturday. So let's start with môre. Again, I will tell you what time word to start with. Okay, so tomorrow, Vela will read a book. Môre sal Vela 'n boek lees. See, what I did is I put the time word first, then verb 1, then the subject, and then the rest of my sentence. I just swapped the time word and the subject word around. I hope that makes sense, guys. Enjoy today's activity. Just read the instructions carefully, because on some of the questions you have to follow the normal rule, like the green examples that I did here. And then in some of them, where I tell you to start with a specific word, you will go this route, the black examples that I showed you here on the board. Okay, guys, enjoy it. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.